Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an app with Claude. So let's get started. Open Claude and type what kind of app you want. For example, I want a web application, so I'm going to type in design a modern landing page for a SaaS website. This is important because you're clearly telling Claude what to build, what sections to include, and that you want code. Now Claude will give you full landing page structure, clean UI layout, and ready to use HTML plus CSS code. You don't need to design anything manually, it's already done for you. Now just copy the code, open Notepad or VS Code, paste it, save it as index.html, open it in your browser, or Claude will itself give you an integrated website as well. You can simply open it in your browser and your website is live locally. If you want changes, you can go back to Claude and ask something like make it more modern, change colors to blue and black, add a sign-up form, and Claude will instantly update your design. And in just a few minutes, you've gone from a simple prompt to a full SaaS landing page with working code. That's how powerful Claude AI is. One prompt can build a full website structure and code for you. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.